Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to unveil our growth strategy for Felthouse Business Solutions. Felthouse Business Solutions is a micro-lending company founded in 2020. Currently, it has a portfolio of 150 million, but we intend to grow it to tenfold, that is to about 1.5 billion in the next 5 years. We are here to unveil our growth strategies, and among them are product diversification, market expansion, and digitization. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce my other consultant to take us through some of these strategies.
To achieve growth in the next 5 years, the business will focus on product expansion and diversification of our financial products tailored to the Uganda's economic landscape. We shall have products like education loans to support tuition payments, agricultural loans to provide cheap financing to the farmers, medical emergency loans for urgent health care needs, and also we shall have a group lending model that promotes financial inclusion through circles. This will help us to attract a wide client base, reduce risk, and also increase customer retention. Thank you.
So at Felthouse, we are not only focusing on staying in Bweyogerere, we are looking forward in the next 5 years to expand beyond Bweyogerere. We have selected specific areas which we think are going to give us enough markets so that we can sell our products. First of all, we are looking at Mbara being a growing city and being situated in western parts of the country, serving different districts like Kampala, like Ntungamo, and other districts around Mbara. We are looking at getting markets so that we can tap into that market, which has a lot of potential, being a city and a new city and a fast growing city in the country. We are also looking at other regions. For example, we are looking at Guru being the city in the northern part of Uganda, and we are looking forward to serve all other districts that are part of the greater Guru and also part of the northern area. We have Jinja. Jinja is an industrial hub because of its location, having a lot of industries, and we expect a lot of market, and we expect that we are going to sell more products in Jinja because of its location, because of its industries, and the growing business is around that city. Then another area we are looking at Mukono. Mukono is part of the Kampala metropolitan area, but it itself is big enough, and it has a lot of schools. It has a lot of schools like Seta High School, like Nambiango College, like what. So we can extend our educational products loans so that we can also tap into that market. So we have another area, and we're looking at city, at Soroti. Soroti is a city that is in eastern part of the country, and we're also looking forward to tap into that market of the eastern part of Uganda because of the need for us to provide loans like education loans, like all other types of loans in that area.
Growth requires capital, and our plan is solid. We intend to finance our various development strategies through. We want to partner with Islamic banks in the Arab world so that we are able to get enough capital that is of zero interest. We are looking at partnering with local microfinance institutions as well as circles in such that we can be able to enjoy in part of the capital that they have. We are looking at also applying for financial inclusion grants from government of Uganda. Most of these are intended towards developing agriculture, and that is also part of our products we need to introduce. We are also looking at partnering with venture capitalists outside of the country. We shall reach out to this through the different platforms we've been able to introduce. So we are also intending towards retaining at least 20% of our profits, and these profits are also going to be plowed back into our different development strategies. Thank you so much.
The next is digital transformation as our strategic growth plan, and this brings in creativity and innovation in ways that take into account technology. Technology is our game changer. We are investing in fully digital lending systems that take into account the following: a money lending app. This money loans app will take into consideration the tireless paperwork, the needless communication issues that come into play whenever we're transacting for a loan. A client should be able to see their payments, should be able to see their balances, their statement as and when, and the mobile loan app will cater for that. The next is the AI-powered credit scoring tool. We want to make sure that our data is really properly assessed, and the AI credit scoring will take this into account, and we will be using data from the mobile loans app. Here, a customer will have real-time assessment of their background data and will be able to provide credit score ratings that are accurate and properly assessed. Next is mobile money integration. We want to appreciate that MTN and Airtel have taken a big toll in how we transact, and we want to make sure that our customers should be able to transact within this base of transaction that mobile money has provided. And by integrating ourselves with these apps, we will be able to take advantage of that seamless transaction network that MTN and Airtel have developed. Last but not least is the automated loan processing, and we want to make sure that we have a proper assessing and loan processing system that takes away time and is properly efficient. This loan processing should be speedy, and we are here to make sure that we are able to process our loans in time using the proper digital integration systems. And the last is AI chatbots, which takes into account customer care support. We want to appreciate that it's very difficult to communicate these days online, and if we have chatbots that are going to properly reply in real time to all our clients and guide these communications to our customer care team, we will be able to work closely with our clients and make sure that they are not neglected in any one time. Here we will take into consideration the technology that becomes our game changer.
Ladies and gentlemen, Felthouse is ready for the future as per our strategy presented by our consultants. We welcome you to walk this journey with us, and all will be well. Bye-bye.